Hello, this video will help you learn some features of Notebook LM which may help you to prepare your lesson better. So here are a few features we will learn. First is renaming our lessons in Notebook LM, then using the source panel in Notebook LM. Third is generating mind map. Fourth, audio overview. Fifth, how to check the history if I have generated a lesson today, how can I check it later? And how can we use different languages? How can we prepare our lesson in different languages in Notebook LM? Let's learn. So for this, first of all, we need to go to the TRB and copy our lesson. Here is the TRB and I have selected lesson number 81. Let's select this. I'm going to select the entire lesson and then we will go to Notebook LM. For that, we need to come to Chrome, search Notebook LM, and this first link. So with the first link, this page will open. Once it opens, we need to click on this create new option. As we click on create new option, this page appears. The name of this page is add sources. So we need to add our lesson here. We have this option of paste copied text. We will click on the blue option and paste our lesson. Insert it. As you can see, the lesson has been inserted and we can even check it from here. Here is the lesson. So you can see here, everybody, the lesson has been inserted and it is showing in Hindi because my default language I have selected here is Hindi. How can we check the language? There is the setting option and in output, choose your language override. So here Hindi is already there. I can even change it to English. So here now I changed it to English. I'll save it. However, nothing will change on the lesson which I have already generated because it has been already generated. If you want to change the language, you need to change it beforehand, before generating. Okay, now the next feature which we talked about was sources panel on the left hand side. Now we have added one source which is TRB. I know that there is one more source in this lesson which is the video. So we will go to the TRB and paste the link here of the video. So from TRB, I am copying the link of the video quickly and I will paste it through add sources option in Notebook LM again. This is a link of YouTube. Pasted the link, inserted. Now here is my second source getting loaded. Now the next feature is mind map, as we can see it here. Now first I need to see, do I need mind map for TRB lesson or do I need mind map for video also? We only need to select the source for which we need the mind map. So I only need it for TRB source. I'll only select that and click on mind map. And on the right hand side bottom, it is getting generated. And it is there. This is our mind map. It has objective and all the steps. Let's check. It's well defined, well explained. Okay. So this was the next feature. Another feature which we talked about was audio overview. This feature takes time. So we will click on it and we will leave it till the time I am going to tell you about history feature. How to check history in Notebook LM. So for this, for remembering what you need to search, you need to rename it. So as you can see, ChatGPT में अंग्रेजी बोलना सीखें परिचय और अभ्यास. This was not the name of our lesson. The name of our lesson was different. It was talking with ChatGPT, something like that. The lesson name was talking about myself using ChatGPT. So I can write here lesson 81 talking about myself with AI. So now this lesson name has been saved. I can check it later. How? I'll click on this notebook LM icon. As I click, the same page will open. And when I scroll down, this lesson is here. Lesson number 81, talking about myself with AI. It has all the history of lessons which I generated, like lesson number 15, which I generated in July. So it will be saved. Let's go back to the lesson. We can see here, everybody, our audio overview is ready on the right hand side bottom corner. So let's see how to use it. We will click on this audio overview.
We're looking at using conversational AI tools, the chatbots, to actually get better at speaking English.
Can you see? They started talking about the lesson. Now, how is it going to help us? For that, we need to use this interactive mode. Interactive means you can interact, you can talk to AI. Let's see how it works. Now, the ChatGPT will start speaking about the lesson once again. And if I want to join in, there will be an option of join here, which I can click on and ask my question. So first I need to play this.
We're zoning in on something really specific, but also, I think, incredibly practical. We're looking at using conversational AI tools.
Oh, hey, I think our listeners got something to say.
Yes, I want to know about step 2 of the lesson. Here students are asking question, but the teacher is not responding. What is the reason behind it?
To the lesson plan we have here.
You're pointing out step 2, where students ask a question but the teacher stays silent.
Okay, let's unpack this. The source material gives a very specific reason for that.
It says this practice is important because they learn to ask questions.